This video tutorial I will explain how to uninstall JDK 23 on Linux operating system. We will see how to identify the installation path, removing JDK 23, updating environment variables, and verifying the uninstallation. Here you can see Amazon AWS console, and here you can see the EC2 instance which is running. Copy this IPv4 address. Using Putty software, log into Amazon EC2 instance. I have successfully logged into Amazon EC2 instance. Open Windows CP. Click on Login to log into Amazon EC2 instance. Step 1 is identify the installation path. Before uninstalling JDK 23, you need to confirm where it is installed. If you install it manually, it is usually located in opt folder or a custom directory. To check the Java installation path, run this command sudo update alternatives config java. This will list the different Java versions installed and their paths. Then identify the JDK 23 path, which is something like opt folder JDK 23. Run this command, and here you can see JDK 23 is installed in opt directory. Step 2 is remove JDK 23. Navigate to installation directory. If JDK 23 was installed manually using a tar.gz file, you can simply delete the folder. Navigate to the directory where JDK 23 is installed using cd opt directory. You can remove JDK 23 folder using sudo remove command. This will completely remove JDK 23 installation. Click on opt folder. Here you can see JDK 23 folder. We will see how to remove this folder. Currently we are in EC2 user folder. Move to opt folder. Here you can see JDK 23.0.1 folder. Remove JDK 23 folder. And here you can see JDK 23.0.1 folder is successfully removed. Click on refresh, and here also it is removed. Step 3 is remove environment variables. If you had set environment variables like Java home for JDK 23, then you should remove or update them. Open the environment variable file using sudo nano command. Then locate JDK 23 related lines and comment it out, or remove the lines. Then save and exit the changes by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y to confirm the changes, then hit enter. Then reload environment variables using this command. Open the profile file using this command. Remove JDK 23 related lines. Ctrl+X, Y to confirm the changes. Press enter. Changes are saved. To reload the environment variables, run this command. Step 4 is update alternatives. Remove Java alternative. If JDK 23 was added to the alternative system, remove it using following commands. Remove the JDK 23 alternative for Java, use this command. To remove JDK 23 alternative for Java C, use this command. Before run these two commands, make sure the JDK folder path is proper. Step 5 is verify the uninstallation. To verify the uninstallation, run this command java-version. If JDK 23 was the only Java version installed, then this command will return an error message or point to the different Java version if installed. Run this command. We got error message saying Java command not found. From this we can confirm JDK 23 is successfully uninstalled. So the conclusion is, by following these steps, you should have successfully uninstalled JDK 23 from your Linux system. If you need to switch to another JDK version, you can install it and update your Java home and alternatives accordingly. Regularly maintaining your Linux system by removing unused software helps keep it clean and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.